just wanted to show you how I replace my elastic. So what I do, cut off the end. I've got my new piece of elastic and I just put a tiny little safety pin there on the end of it. I'm going to connect the new elastic to the old elastic. Now here's the tricky part. Sometimes there are folds in here, and so sometimes the knot on the elastic will get caught in there. So I have a tool handy. I use a chopstick or a skewer here, and that can help. I'm just going to start by guiding this safety pin in and then pulling the old one out. And phew, luckily this one came right through. Ta-da! And then I just do an overhand knot like you're tying the end of a balloon. Give it one of these. Bada boom. Boom. I like to keep it up here at the end. That way, if it's too loose, you can just tie another knot and put it right there next to that one until it fits. And then I just pull the elastic until that knot just tucks inside again. Et voila! Yeah, like I said, sometimes it can get caught in the folds in there, so I just use a chopstick to guide the safety pin through. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know and stay safe.